Jeete Hain Chal is the first song that was out, and there are 4 songs in the film. Four, right? Four songs. There's Jeete Hain Chal. There's Aankhein Milaenge Dar Se, which is right now my personal favorite. Then there's the mother song. What is it called? The mother song?
ऐसा क्यों माँ?
Aisa Kyun Ma. And then there's a love song which we'll be launching very soon. So there are 4 songs, and they're all situational, they're all inspirational, and there is obviously no lip sync in this film, but it adds to the performance. Filmmaking is a collaboration, it's a collaborative process, and I don't think anything separately works, and music is such an integral part of it. And especially in a film like Ninja, the music has to be really like delicate and beautiful and add to the film. And I think Vishal has done an amazing job with that. So and they are all written so beautifully, and that's all Prasoon sir. I mean, he's the person who wrote Masak Ali for me. Like I said inside, it made me world famous in India. I'm using Atul's lines, and it made me Sonam Kapoor. And it was a story. It was a song about freedom, and I think over here he knows how to write for young people. I feel he understands the voice of young people. So where Masak Ali was about freedom of a young person in India, for me, Aankhein Milaenge Dar Se is the voice of what I think the youth in India are feeling right now. That we don't want to be scared anymore. We want to face everybody and everything and have an opinion like we do on everything. So I think he gets the pulse, and he is, I think, one of the most important poets of our time right now. So I'm very excited that Prasoon sir has done 3 of my films. Yay!
But this song will not be in the movie. This
Yes.
song will not be in the movie. Have you wished कि काश ये गाना होता movie में?
डाल दो यार गाना. हाँ, नहीं. See the thing, the idea, like I said, it's a voice. It's like the ad for a film. You understand? It's the essence of what the film is. It's like I said, I keep saying that this film is about the youth for the youth. She was 23 years old, and if you see the energy in that song, it's the pulse of what we're feeling, and that drum in our heart to kind of work, do something. So I think it's like it's Ram's. He's using his advertising, and he's using it for our film to say that this is the essence of the song. We can't tell you what the story is about, but this is what we're trying to say with the film. And that's why it's important. Yes, जी.
सनम सबका एक डर होता है,
हाँ जी.
डर होता है. आपका वो कौन सा डर रहा है जिंदगी में आपकी? और
Besides my mother. मैं actually honestly अभी दिखाई नहीं देता, but I was a very shy person. मैं बहुत ही shy थी. I'm not very good at public speaking. मुझे स्टेज फ्राइट बहुत है. एक्चुअली 8 साल पहले मैंने एक स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस दी थी, और उसके बाद आई हैड नेवर परफॉर्म्ड ऑन स्टेज टिल आई डिड Stardust or something. I did in Stardust. I danced again after 8 years, and that's only because I did Ninja. And I realized that it's a small thing. It's going up on stage and facing people and performing or dancing or talking on stage. I don't know if you've never heard me host a show or danced on stage or any of those things. And only because I did Ninja, I realized, यार मैं कौन हूँ यार, मैंने क्या किया life में? This girl faced fear and she saved life, and she realized she was fearful for her life and she still did it. What am I fearful for? कि लोग क्या कहेंगे? And I think that's everybody's biggest fear. अब मैंने एक campaign किया है Fear versus Ninja, और I'm telling you 90% of the people who have been tagging me and tagging Fear versus Ninja are all afraid to be themselves and are afraid of लोग क्या कहेंगे. And I think that's all our fear right now, and so that was my biggest fear. लोग क्या कहेंगे.
Sonam, you said your dad has seen the film. What is his reaction like?
आप उनसे ही पूछ लो ना, मैं क्या बोलूँगी.
सो 10 साल पहले भी ऐसी एक मूवी आई थी सबने पसंद की.
हाँ जी.
10 साल पहले भी ऐसी एक मूवी आई थी सबने पसंद की.
प्रसून सर कुछ बोलना है?
लोगों को बहुत इंस्पायर किया था. तो आपको क्या लगता है ये मूवी भी उतना ही लोगों को इंस्पायर कर पाएगी?
I hope so. I hope that happens. Both the directors' names start with R, and Prasoon sir is attached to कुछ तो हो जाएगा. And both of them are my directors, if I may say so. So I hope that happens. I really hope that happens, because this film is to inspire people.
And ma'am, is this creatively your most satisfying experience?
every film I would say the same thing. So till now, this has been my most creatively satisfying. I could do what I wanted to do in this film.
Any fear you want to overcome?
Huh?
Any fear you want to overcome?
Lots of fears, yeah.
एक अगर बोलना चाहें
A fear of not having an. I don't want to ever not have an opinion on something.
Sonam, we're talking about opinions here. These days, whenever someone gives an opinion, it becomes a big thing. Do you think?
It's a good thing, yeah. At least people are discussing things. People are not afraid. I think it's a very good thing.
No. For instance, Shah Rukh's intolerant statement became a big thing. No. My question is whenever these days, whenever we ask him questions on those, he says that I won't be talking about it. So, is there a fear about expressing one's opinion?
No, that's
What has
what's
happened?
scary. That's exactly what I said. You know, recently at a conclave where they asked me to talk. I don't know why they keep calling me to talk about things. Obviously, they know I'll make good copy. But I was like, just imagine the way we're reacting to someone like a Shah Rukh Khan or an Amir Khan or anything. They will be afraid to say or talk about things because of the negative reactions. We should be supportive of people who have opinions, good, bad, or ugly. Everybody should have a right to speak. And I feel like no matter what, like I went through this even 2-3 years ago. I said something and I was trolled like on another level. Not 2-3 years ago, it was actually a year ago. I don't know why I feel like it was so long. But then at the end of the day, I was like, if I have this platform, I have this voice, people actually listen to what I have to say. I'm going to keep doing it no matter what. Eventually, somebody will hear what I have to say.
One more thing, how was it working with Beyonce?
I didn't work with her. But it was amazing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.